Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing 3 of my favorite green smoothie recipes. See if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. First up is the green apple smoothie. Now green apples are high in fiber, helps with your digestive health, and is also a great source of iron. Green smoothies help you to feel fuller longer, and it also regulates the cleansing process in your body. I'll add just a dash of cinnamon because it's loaded with antioxidants. One down and 2 more to go. Next up is the coconut green smoothie. The use of the coconut water would help to reduce high blood pressure, help to reduce kidney stones, and it's also a great source of hydration. And if you didn't know, chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Do you have a favorite green smoothie recipe? If so, let me know what it is in the comment section below. And finally is our mango spinach smoothie. Now mangoes are a low-calorie fruit that's high in fiber. So if you choose to eat a mango every day, it won't hurt you in any way. have it, my 3 favorite green smoothie recipes. I hope you give this a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post. Bye!